Lokhu kwenzakala umnumzana JD Vance esanda ukukhethwa ukuba ngumsekeli kamongameli weMelika.
After the greatest political comeback in American history, we're going to lead the greatest economic comeback in American history under Donald
Ngemva kokuphindela kwezombusazwe ngokwezinga eliphezulu kumlando weMelika, sizaqhuba imvuselelo yezenotho engakaze ibonakale kumbali yaleli lizwe singaphansi kombuso kaMnumzana Donald Trump.
Izinga asekulo selikude nxa liqathaniswa lalapho avela khona. Isigaba seJackson eKentucky kulapho okungazalelwanga khona umnumzana Vance, kodwa ukubiza njengekhaya lakhe.
Now, when I proposed to my wife, I said, honey, I come with $120,000 worth of law school debt.
Ngize ngicele owayintombi yami ukuthi abe ngumkami, ngathi kuye, Sithandwa, ngiza ngilesikwelede sekolishi lokufundela ukuba ligqwetha esingamadola $120,000, $120,000, lendawo yamathuna entabeni ze-Eastern Kentucky.
Ugogo kaMnumzana Vance wayesaziwa ngokuthi nguMau Mau.
He always came down here with Mamaw, and she would bring him to the mountains to let him.
Wayehlezi esiza lapha lo Mau Mau, yena owayemletha ezintabeni ukuthi abone ukuthi impilo yakhona injani, njalo kusobala ukuthi wayithanda.
Umnumzana Vance wazalelwa edolobheni leMiddletown e-Ohio. Wakhuliswa ngugogo wakhe owayengathambanga njalo wayevame ukufunga kokuphela nxa ekhuluma, futhi egcina imibhobho eli-19 ekhokhiweyo endlini, esebenzisa isibongo somyeni kanina owayengasoyise esaziwa ngokuthi nguJD Hamel. Wanqoba kukhetho lwakhe lakuqala umnumzana Vance. Ngokubhuqa wayengumsekeli kamkhokheli wezifundi eklasini yesikolo semfundo ephezulu eseMiddletown High School. Wangena kubutho wasephutsha izifundo zakhe ephumelele kakhulu ekolitshini le-Ohio State University. Wasesiya ekolitshini le-Yale lapho owazwanana lesinye isifundi unkosazana Yusha Kilukuri owayeza kuba ngunkosikazi wakhe. Umnumzana Vance wazakala elizweni ngomfanekiso wakhe wemovie owaphumelelayo othi Hillbilly Elegy, ogxile kumpilo yezisebenzi zeMelika. Umlingisi okule umfanekiso ngumnumzana Glenn Close owayelingisa ugogo kaMnumzana Vance uMau Mau owayengamphathanga ngesandla esibuthakathaka.
JD Vance to be the next Vice President of the United States.
JD Vance nguye oza kuba ngumsekeli kamongameli weMelika.
Ngokuxhaswa ngowayengumongameli umnumzana Donald Trump, umnumzana JD Vance owayengumfana we-Ohio njalo owayethanda iKentucky wakhethwa ukuba nguseneta we-Ohio ngeminyaka emibili elandelayo.
But you got to decide. You want to be somebody?
Kodwa wena kufanele uthathe isinqumo. Ufuna ukuba ngumuntu kumbe hayi?
Umnumzana Trump wakhetha umnumzana Vance njengomsekeli wakhe, kodwa okwakuqala abasebenzanga kuhle ngoba umnumzana Vance wake wachothoza umnumzana Trump esithi kasomuntu amkhwabithayo. Khathesi njengomuntu osekhethiwe, izinqumo zikaMnumzana Vance zifana xathu lezikaMnumzana Trump. Ebuzwa ukuthi umnumzana Trump wanqotshwa kukhetho lomnyaka ka-2020.
No, I think there are serious problems in 2020. So did Donald
Hayi,
Trump lose the
ngibona
election?
ukuthi
Not by the words
kwakukhona
that I would use.
okungalunganga ngo-2020. Ngakho ukuthi umnumzana Donald Trump wanqotshwa kukhetho, hayi asomazwi engingawasebenzisa mina.
Umnumzana Vance usekela impi eChina lemhlubulweni we-East Asia, kodwa kafuni ukuthi kube losizo olunikezwa abantu elizweni le-Ukraine lapho okulempi khona. Njalo
Kamala Harris on the one hand says that she really cares about civilian
uKamala
casualties,
Harris
and yet she
ngakwelinye
refuses to give
icele
Israel the
uthi
weapons that allow them to
uyanakekela abantu
minimize civilian
makhaza
casualties. Let's get to work and
abalimalayo
make it happen.
lababhubhayo empini lezi, kodwa uyala ukunikeza ele-Israel izikhali zokwenqabela lokhu.
umnumzana Vance oleminyaka engama-40 uza kuba ngowesithathu oleminyaka ephansi nxa eqathaniswa labanye kumlando weMelika ukuba ngumsekeli kamongameli.